बसी है भारत की कहानी। हर भाषा में बसी है भारत की कहानी, पर यही कहानी कभी कभी सिर का दर्द बन जाती है। Ladies and gentlemen, respected judges, teachers, and my dear, good morning. I am Varnika Tyagi from KCC Institute of Technology and Management, Greater Noida. Inspired by the vision of Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, our Honorable Education Minister, I am thrilled to speak on a topic that defines the soul of our nation. India, the land of multiple languages. The land so linguistically rich that even Google Translate gets confused sometimes. Over 22 official languages and with more than 19,500 dialects, and yet somehow we survive. It's a miracle, isn't it? Now imagine if you are traveling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and with every few kilometers your language changes. It seems like someone keeps hitting the change button on the playlist you didn't even ask for. Fascinating. Yes, but also frustrating when you are trying to ask for directions and ends up using sign language instead. But let's look at the brighter side first. Our linguistic diversity is our cultural treasure trove. It's the reason why India is often called the museum of languages. Every language has a story of its place, its people, and their history. From Tamil Sangam poetry to Kabir's Hindi couplets, from Guru Granth Sahib in Gurumukhi to Rabindranath Tagore's Bengali verses, our languages are the canvases of our culture. But let us not forget Bollywood. India's love for cinema unites us. Where else in the world would you find a song which starts in Hindi, switches to Punjabi, and then ends in Tamil? And everyone sings along, even if half of us doesn't know the lyrics. But let us not to be blind to the challenges. Every rose has its thorn, and in our case, every language has its ego. Let me tell you a story. A friend of mine, a native of Kerala, once went to Chennai for work. Despite being in the neighboring state, his Malayalam is of no use. His English has met with scowls, and his broken Tamil earned him confused stares. This is not just his story. It's the common reality in India. Language barrier in India can cause simple tasks like renting a house or ordering a food seems like Hercules challenge. And the debate over national language is another ticking time bomb. Should Hindi be imposed? Should every Indian learn the regional language Hindi or English? It's a heated debate that often divides rather than unites us. The North says Hindi unites us, while the South replies we are fine without it. And the rest of us are caught crossfire, sipping chai and wondering what's the next. And then there is education. Imagine being a child in a remote village where your mother tongue is Marathi, your textbooks are in English, and your Hindi teacher has an accent so strong that it needs subtitles. By the end of the time the child grows up, he is fluent in none and confused in all. The education system often struggles to balance the regional language with national and international demands. The result? A generation who feel alienated from its own culture while struggling to meet international standards. But let us not forget humor. After all, we Indians have an art of finding laughter in chaos. Have you ever noticed how Indian parents love multilingual scolding? A typical Indian mom can switch between 2 or 3 languages mid-sentence when she is angry. तुझे कितनी बार समझाया है? Why don't you listen? जरा भी अकल नहीं है क्या? It's like being scolded in a surround sound. So, is this linguistic diversity a boon or a bane? It's both. It's our identity. India is not just a country. It's an idea. An idea that different languages, cultures, and traditions can coexist. The solution lies in acceptance and respect. Let us not impose any language over another. Let us promote multilingualism. Let school teach students their mother tongue along with national and international languages. Let workplaces promote linguistic diversity rather than using it as a barrier. In a country where unity in diversity is our motto, it's our responsibility to make sure that our languages unite rather than divide us. भाषाओं का संगम ही भारत की शान है, पर ये तभी ताकत बनेगा जब हम इसे समझें और अपनाएं. So let's celebrate this chaos, let's embrace this diversity, because being Indian is not just about speaking one language. It's about understanding many, respecting all, and celebrating harmony in madness. After all, जितनी भाषाएं उतने रंग, यही भारत की असली उमंग. Thank you.